Educators Wales is a recruitment and advocacy service for those looking to get into the education sector. It's delivered by the Education Workforce Council and it's funded by Welsh Government. So I think it's really important to get more diversity in the education workforce, and I think it's important that the education workforce then is reflective of the communities in which we live. So at the moment there's a number of initiatives in place. So we're very much working at the grassroots level, working with local communities and different groups. So for example, the North Wales Africa Society, as well as EYST. And then in addition to that, there are bursaries actually available through Welsh Government. So a bursary currently of £5,000 for people that are from a minority ethnic background to incentivise them to come into teaching. The way in which we supported Adele specifically is that Adele actually came to an event similar to the one we're hosting tonight here at EYST, an event sort of targeted towards people from ethnic minority backgrounds. And so she came, and then from that we sort of made that connection, made that contact with her, and then we supported her, we sort of connected her then to the universities. So we supported her through some of our interview workshops, and then from there we were able to sort of try and break down some of the walls that she had, but then also that she was coming across as she was putting forward her application. And so through being able to support her throughout the whole process, from her coming to the event all the way through the application and interview process with the universities, she was actually able to get 2 successful applications, and then she made the choice to study at Cardiff Metropolitan University. So if you're interested in contacting the team, you can do that through our website, so through educators.wales. Alternatively, you can email us through information@educators.wales, or you can contact us on the telephone or through our social media channels, and we're very much eager and waiting to hear from you and to be able to support you along your journey into the education sector.